What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, day in the life of a mom with a 5-month-old that will not stop talking. Say hi, 5-month-old. But anyways, today I am cooking chicken tacos. Just thought I'd do a little mommy vlog. I'm gonna go to the store, you know what I'm saying? I do need to shower at some point. I did brush my teeth though. Check mark, cha-ching. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make tacos for lunch, and I already did another YouTube video, so that's gonna upload. Okay, and I have a fussy baby, BRB. So I'm about to go to the store. I'm about to get some groceries so I can cook it up on the Sunday. Like I said, I'm gonna cook chicken tacos, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Let's go.
Beginnings, I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go. Forget about the past, baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me.
Guess who woke up today? Say, I just ate. Yeah, I'm awake now. How much?
No matter what I do, baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. Stormy skies and fireworks, yeah. But I'm not afraid of
Mella, you got that all in your hair. You know what? Your baby bonnet gonna be here soon.
overcome every feeling that I
You came outside, mamas? Came outside to get some fresh air. I have a headache. It's almost her bath time.
can't really hurt us unless we
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. It is Monday, 8 o'clock in the morning. And baby girl is eating this lovely morning. I just washed her face. She had all that crust on her face. She be sleeping good. That's how you know she slept good. And I brushed my teeth today, so already done bright and early. I'm actually about to try and work out. Got this app, 7-minute workout. That's the most time I got to work out with a baby. I do have a gym membership. I honestly don't have time to go to the gym because the hint, this little girl right here. But yeah, so let's work out. Let's try and get, shrimp there, you know what I'm saying? What you want to watch, Stink? You want to watch Minnie Mouse Boutique? Minnie Mouse Boutique, Stink? Yeah? Okay. So I guess we're going to watch Minnie Mouse Boutique. Minnie's Boutique. Hi, Mama. My baby's so cute. I love her so much. So I hope I'm in frame. You know what? I'm just gonna try and do this 7-minute workout. Will Melody let me do it? I don't know. Here, look at. She crawling backwards, y'all. Where are you going? See, no, because you're gonna fall off the bed, and we can't be having that. Spider baby, come back. So I'm about to do the 7-minute workout. I got this app. My goal is to do it 5 days a week. Let's just see how it goes. I thought that this workout was 7 minutes. It's giving 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired. I don't know what number we on. Like, this don't feel like 7 minutes.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
All done with the workout. It was 7 minutes, I guess. It's an app I use. I'll leave the app down below. I think it's perfect for moms who ain't got time to work out, ain't got time to go to the gym. The most my baby will let me work out is 10 minutes before she starts fussing, you know. I have her in a chair, as you can see from the clips. And this is the perfect app for me. And whoever else want to use it, mom or not, whether you're busy, 7 minutes a day. We'll try Monday through Friday, 5 times a week. Okay, I'm out of breath. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I was gonna cook, but it'd be hard to cook with my baby. Like, she be crying. She only surviving her little bouncy chair for like 15 minutes. And then I gotta put the carrier on and hold her. And then my back be hurting. Like, and then they got the water cut off right now anyway. So I'ma just, our apartment little complex, they always got water cut off like every morning. It's so annoying. But I'm gonna just go get some lunch and then cook dinner later. So yeah. Okay, like, I'm about to cry. My baby's getting big. Like, her dad fixed the fixed the settings. Like, I had her on the wrong settings, so she's to like slouch, but like she's like really 5 months. So oh, you look so big, mama. You're big in your car seat. Oh my gosh. And I got a mirror so she can see herself. Hi, mama. Can I get the Cajun wrap? Alright, so this is what I got to eat. You know, I got a chicken wrap supposedly. I don't know what it look like. But I'm about to open it and see some fries. I'm trying not to eat meat. I'm trying not to eat red meat. I kind of already failed. But at least I got chicken. And then, you know, of course, I got a baby trying to get my food. Melody. I mean, I honestly could have made this, but whatever. Okay, so if you don't know, I have a business called Angels Who Hustle. It's like online stuff, making websites, no inventory, drop shipping, ambassador program if you need help, if your business needs help getting sales. So these are some emails I be sending, but I just sent one out right now because Instagram is down, y'all. And I'm just trying to see if I might make a sale or not. I made 2 yesterday, but I went ahead and created this email. I love Shopify. I use Shopify, by the way. But like I said, I got ambassador program script and details. If your business is struggling with sales, any moms out there watching this, try getting or try having an ambassador program. Pretty much the ambassadors will promote your products for you. And I got drop shipping websites. If you want to buy a website without no shipping or inventory, that's also what I sell. But I just sent this website. I just sent this email out because Instagram is still down. So I sent like a discount code. So that'll be in the description if y'all want to check that out. www.angelswhohustle.com. Starts to look a little yellow. I guess the sun is going and I got my light on. But we're back from our little walk. Miss Fishy. She's super fussy and needy right now. I got school soon. I got nurse school. So I'm trying to log in and get ready to get on Zoom. So yeah. So yeah, I'm in class and class get out at like 9. I got an hour and 30 minutes or hour and 20 minutes. So we're gonna. I'm sorry. And I have a fussy baby in class. We're gonna go ahead and end this vlog. Say thank you for watching, YouTube. Yeah, say thank you for watching. Subscribe to my mama's channel. Okay. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all like this vlog. And thanks for watching.